Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials, matching frame rate and sample rate, and placing labeled song and video files in one folder. Open your editor and import both into the timeline so you can see the audio waveform and video frames. Once done, align the song start to the intended video frame using timecode or marker 0, 0, 0. Drag the audio until peaks line up with visible on-screen actions. Make sure snapping is enabled for frame-accurate placement before moving on. Now focus on beat-to-visual alignment. Identify the song's BPM and place markers at each downbeat and major transition. You should use tempo detection or tap tempo if uncertain, then map those markers to the video's key visual hits, cuts, gestures, or motion peaks. Once markers are set, nudge clips by single frames for micro adjustments, and if durations differ, apply time stretch with preserved pitch to maintain sync. Also check audio latency compensation in playback to ensure what you see matches what you hear. Finish by exporting a short test segment and reviewing it on multiple players to confirm sync under real conditions. You should match export frame rate and audio sample rate to your timeline. Choose a codec that doesn't retime audio. If you notice drift over longer clips, split the track and resync midpoints or use an audio drift correction tool. One key troubleshooting tip: if consistent offset appears across players, re-examine project timebase and hardware latency settings before re-rendering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.